See how the police blocked roads leading to their station in Rivers State for fear of unknown gunmen. How they try to block their police station. If they like, let them double their fence or use electric barbed wire. The hoodlums, if they want to storm their police station, they will still storm their police station. So all this one that they are doing is just a waste of time. I've said it over and over again. The criminals in their midst, the hoodlums in their midst, will still give the criminals the link to still invade the police station. Who are the gunmen, if we are to say something about it? The gunmen are still the police officers. See, you people don't still understand what I'm saying. You people are wasting your time pointing accusing fingers at innocent people who knows nothing. The police officers are still the one attacking themselves. They are still the one working for the hoodlums. They give them the link on how to gain entrance into the station and whisk away armories. And they are doing all these things because probably because they are short paid. That is one. And again, probably because of because they have been called to compromise with the gunmen. Because you see, these gunmen, they can't go to the market to buy some of these weapons. They try all that they could to get compromised with one of the police officers on how to get into the station and whisk armories away. You saw how most of them are being trapped by the soldiers while trying to supply some of these weapons to the Boko people. One of the police officers was caught with over 22 ammunitions, trying to cross to the other side to supply the weapon, and he was apprehended. Same goes to the Nigerian soldier, the one that was caught trying to supply army uniform. Because it surprises me sometimes when I see some of the army uniform being worn by these Boko people. So I begin to ask, how come? You understand? So it is still the same people. So they are still the same people attacking themselves. So all these ones are just stories that touch. They're just stories that touch. They are just trying to gain sympathy, which they are not supposed to even gain or be given. You understand? And that is just it. Okay, look at what is on ground. Considering the high level of insecurity in the country and attacks on police operatives and their stations, the Rivers State Police Command has barricaded the entrances to its station. According to reports, the police command took the protective measures with hopes to stop their stations from being attacked or razed by unknown gunmen. This barricade has caused traffic build-up in some parts of the state, most especially around the Elekehia Stadium area of Port Harcourt. Another area experiencing traffic gridlock as a result of the blockade is the Rumokpoku Road. Most people were seen trekking under the hot sun to evade the traffic. This road's barricading is coming after the police command witnessed multiple attacks on police checkpoints along the east-west road, which resulted in the cold-blooded murder of 7 police operatives. It was gathered that the unknown gunmen disguised themselves as security officers moved in unhindered from Oyingbo to carry out the attack. To enhance the collective safety of river people, the state government has reviewed the existing curfew across the 23 local government areas. Henceforth, the curfew will now start from 7 p.m. and end at 6 a.m. So there is no need for us to start bothering ourselves. They know they are the gunmen we are talking about. I call them the gunmen because they know, because they are the one compromising with the hoodlums. They are the one working with them, but we are not seeing it. We are just overlooking them and saying, "Oh, it is not. It's not the Nigerian police." Okay, let's keep watching and keep hoping that one day we are going to catch the people that we claim to be the gunmen. My dear viewers, till 24 hours, till 48 hours, 72 hours, nothing of such will ever come to play. The same people you see on uniform are the gunmen we are talking about. Do you understand? And that is just the humble truth. So the earlier we begin to see them as the gunmen, the better. The better and the better for us in this country. Because the Nigerian police have deceived us enough. They have deceived the masses enough. They have made the masses to look like fools enough. So if we say that enough is enough, enough will be enough. We are the ones that is giving them the chance to fool us. We are the one giving them a chance to fool us. You understand? And that is just it. So my dear viewers, please, I put this up to you to at least air your own opinion, your own views. Let's hear you. Let's know what your own opinion is. Don't forget to leave your comments below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.